Hi, I'm Ron from BackyardLifeGear.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install our front tray on a 36-inch Blackstone griddle. The front tray comes with 2 mounting brackets, 2 nuts, and 2 screws. To install the front tray, you'll need a screwdriver and pliers or an adjustable wrench. You'll use the screwdriver to remove the bottom screw from each side of the griddle. Next, we'll take the screw included with the front tray and put it from the back side through the slot in the bracket. Do this on each side. Now we'll take the screw that was removed from the Blackstone griddle, put it through the hole on the mounting bracket, and reattach it to the griddle using the screwdriver. Repeat on the other side. Now take your front tray and mount it through the screws in the brackets. You may need to slide the screws over to line up with the holes. Then add the nuts. And tighten that with your wrench. Now your installation is complete.